Hello friends, in this video I show you very useful laptop setting. Use this setting lock your laptop automatically when you bring your phone 1 meter far away. So okay friends, let's see I show you this all setting. So first friends need a phone and laptop connect via Bluetooth. Laptop and my phone connect ready. Now friends need open laptop setting. And here have option account. Click here. Click here. Sign in. And scroll down. And you see here have a setting dynamic lock. Click here allow. So this phone friends already connect with my laptop. When I go 1 meter far away, my laptop automatically lock. You see now I bring my phone 1 meter far away and my laptop automatically lock ready. So anytime when you friends bring your phone 1 meter far away, so your laptop automatically lock. So this setting useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.